One of the main uses of magnesium oxide is the use of flame retardant. Traditional flame retardant materials, widely used halogen-containing polymer or halogen-containing flame retardant mixture. Magnesium oxide ball pressing machine is a type of equipment, divided according to the types of materials, mainly used to press difficult-to-form powder materials. Its main magnesium oxide material powder, dry powder and other processing. Pressing effect is very obvious, good effect, and can obtain higher economic benefits. It is characterized by high forming pressure, adjustable revolution of the main engine, and screw feeding device. Widely used in magnesium oxide balls, magnesium oxide pellets, magnesium oxide particles, magnesium oxide powder and other powder, waste slag, pressing molding work. Plant production of magnesium oxide ball press production line cost saving. Simple operation, clear structure, easy to maintain.